But first this evening, we have learned Oriana Farrell has finally filed a lawsuit against state police for her traffic stop that made national news.
That federal lawsuit blames police for escalating the situation and terrorizing her 5 children. News 13's Madeline Schmidt has the details.
Well, Dean and Jessica, in the lawsuit, Farrell claims her family was so traumatized by the traffic stop that her 16-year-old daughter called 911 during the chase that followed, saying police were trying to kill her family.
It was video seen around the world. Oriana Farrell, the minivan mom, was pulled over near Taos for speeding in 2013 with her 5 kids in the car. Farrell drove off before deciding if she'd pay the ticket or argue it in court. The rookie state police officer then pulled her over again before pulling her out of the minivan.
Turn around and face your vehicle. Ma'am, listen to me.
But this time a scuffle broke out. Her 14-year-old son tried to defend her, so the officer pulled a taser on him. The family jumped back inside the van and locked the doors. That's when the rookie cop shattered a window. Backup showed up as Farrell begins to take off again, with Officer Elias Montoya firing his gun at the van. Farrell is chased by the officers into Taos, where she was arrested for child abuse for getting in a police chase with her kids in the car. In July, she was convicted and given probation.
Comment at this time. Thank you.
But News 13 has obtained the federal lawsuit where Farrell points the finger at state police for putting her kids in harm's way. The lawsuit says several times the rookie cop could have killed Farrell by how he grabbed her. It also says the officer endangered her kids, breaking the van window and sending glass into her 6- and 9-year-old children's faces. Farrell says the cops made her scared for her and her kids' lives, so she sped off to a more populated area. The suit claims the incident caused the family severe emotional distress at the hands of state police.
Besides the claims of trauma and excessive force, the lawsuit also claims the family was severely inconvenienced. They lived in Tennessee, but she was ordered to stay in New Mexico for a year and a half until the trial. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Madeline. The officer who shot at the minivan was fired. The rookie officer who pulled the taser on the boy and smashed the windows was not punished. DPS did not want to comment on the lawsuit.